So actually when their third eye is awakened, and many of my Gurukul kids just diagnose you. The moment they see you, they can tell you which part of your body has any repair, if any repair is there. They can easily tell you if there's a kidney stone, heart blockage, just like that they tell. And still now all their diagnosis found to be true, 100% true. Today I can tell them to do a demo for you. See, your kids who came yesterday, in these 2 days, they can do blindfold reading. My kids who are here in the Gurukul, they can tell your birthmark, they can just scan your body and tell your birthmark, you have any stitching mark in your body or any part of your body has any difficulty, like a kidney stone, liver stone, gallbladder stone, or any tumor, lump in any part of the body, simply they can tell you. And I vouch for the 100% authenticity and truth of their words. Because not one or two. And not only that, how I give training to them, I tell somebody to write a word or a line, keep that pad away, I'll project that word in my inner space, and from my inner space they will pick up that word and read out. My inner space is too vast, like a cosmos. But they can get into that and see what is going on and read what is being projected. They had a cat. They can't provide non-veg food to them. They just told be vegetarian, and that fellow is become vegetarian. And he is not touching anything else, he is just taking curd rice, milk and pakka vegetarian. Today, before coming to the session, I was playing with them only. A rabbit, cat, all of them live together happily. That non-violent space. Just kids give instruction, it happens. Same way one day I was going for a walk. These kids were jumping for the mango in the tree. I said, hey, you guys are not the regular village kids. You guys are son of rich man, the spiritually rich man. Just tell the tree to give enough mango for the whole Gurukul. That's it. In 10 days, the tree was so full of mangoes, the whole Gurukul can eat. Whole Gurukul had mangoes. It is not that only third eye awakening, blindfold reading, it manifests as multiple powers. Just if you don't disturb them by giving non-veg and alcohol, anyhow, alcohol none of you will give, at least Indians won't do that mistake of giving alcohol. And don't give them non-veg. If you say, no, my family is non-vegetarian family, if my family gives, what can I do? If they give poison, will you keep quiet? It's a conscious poison. All of you understand. See, we are all human beings. The planet Earth is not created just for us. It's created for all beings. Let's all be serious about letting everybody live. Just for your snack, you will kill somebody. You will take somebody's life just for your snack. So, just if you don't give them non-veg, that's enough. They will continue to manifest these powers in multiple ways. Nothing else is required. Please come.
Swamiji, namaskara. My doubt is about conscious becoming super conscious. Can it become super conscious just by tapping the memory of that unconscious, or is there any different techniques?
Tapping of the memory of unconscious will only increase more worry in your consciousness. See, actually completing with the memory of your unconscious only will make you super conscious. Tapping the memory is not going to make you super conscious. Now whatever you did, in this you are not tapping the memory, you are completing with those memories.
Okay. Thank you.
have some questions from online
Go ahead.
participants. The first question is from.
If any of you have any questions, come and queue up near the mic. After I answer these questions, I will answer your questions. Please come.
The first question is from Kajang Center in Malaysia, Liu Chi In. She's asking, how can I find my true self to live a comfortable and blissful life? Second question, how can I get
First thing, Kajang, Liu Chi In, can you wave your hand? Yes, first thing, Liu Chi In, can you wave your hand? I think a little late. Yes, I can see you now. All right. See, first thing, your true self can be discovered. You can enter into the life of comfort and joy by doing completion. Today, whatever you did from morning, that samskara dahana kriya, if you can find right partners in your family or friends, continue to do for next 21 days, you will have so much completion. That's the best thing you can do. If you don't find anybody, at least sit with yourself every night before falling asleep. Do completion within you. That will take care that you find your true self. You will find a blissful life.
The next question is from Hyderabad Adinam Center, Shubneet.
Shubneet, can you wave your hand? Yes, go
Shubneet
ahead.
is asking, many a times I am able to find the problem and patterns, but struggle to find a way out. Example, I know that I get into double minds, but in spite of mirror work and root incident reliving, I am not able to reach the solution.
Shubneet, be very clear. You have not found the root pattern. You have not done the completion with a mirror. Be very clear. If you have done it, immediately it will disappear. You will have a break from the karma pattern. If you are still struggling, you have caught some other pattern and thinking it is a root pattern. Find your real root pattern and complete. I see your root pattern is related to neck. Somewhere here that root pattern is stuck. Am I right? That's right.
The next question is from Alice Springs Center. Ming is asking, I feel that I am at the end of my life and ready to die. Is this due to raised consciousness or is it based on incompletions? Ming,
Ming,
please wave your hand.
I can see very clearly you don't have any big incompletion, ma. Just come to Varanasi once. You will be completely ready to leave and rest in peace. Now, I know you are ready to die, but I can't be sure that you will be liberated. Come once to Varanasi. When time comes, when you leave the body, you will be liberated. I'll guarantee you liberation.
The next question we have is from Amersfoort, Netherlands Center. Anouk van de Beek is asking, Anouk, please wave your hand. I still have some blocks and physical pains in my body and my system doesn't seem to believe that 100% that they can disappear completely. Do you have any advice for me?
Anouk, don't worry. Complete with your doubt that it cannot disappear. It will disappear. It is just that doubt. Do samskara dahana kriya for next 21 days with any of your friend or family member. It will completely disappear. I guarantee you.
We'll go to Mount Saint-Jean, France. Sylvie is asking, after certain completions, I feel very cold with an irrepressible urge to sleep. Just a while ago, I fell asleep on my knees with a cup of tea in my hand. What can I do? It happens only when I do completion.
Ma, Sylvie, you have to find out the pattern of sleep and complete with that pattern. Just next 1 week, if you work on the samskara dahana kriya, you will find the pattern and you will be able to complete it. I'll take care.
We are going back to Penang, Malaysia. Renka. Yes. Renka is asking, I have so many existing thought patterns holding me back from achieving my peak potential. Will I be healed?
Renka, I understand. Do the samskara dahana kriya again for next 21 days. I'll see to it you become completely complete. Don't worry, do it.
The next question is also from Penang, Malaysia Center. Atila Lakshmi, after doing Tarpanam with husband, can this be considered as complete completion? Will the kid's future be better?
Adi Lakshmi, raise your hand, ma. Atila Lakshmi, ma, please understand, the Darpanam you do and all is more like a ritual. Understand? That will not lead to complete completion. Do completion, then do Darpana, then it will lead to completion. So the spiritual part needs to be done first. The spirit need to be added to ritual. Only then it will become spiritual, ma. Otherwise it will just be ritual. If the spirit is removed from spiritual, it becomes ritual. If the spirit is added to ritual, it becomes spiritual. So completion should be first, then Darpanam. But here you are trying to put Darpanam first and then completion. No. So do completion.
The next question we have is from Delhi Center. Ramananda is asking, Dear Swamiji, how to make experience of Kundalini and Shivoham permanent in our system after we go back?
Yes, Ramananda, Delhi. The best thing you can do is do the samskara dahana kriya every day. The Kundalini Shakti will become permanent in your system. And try to avoid non-veg food and do the samskara dahana kriya every day. This too is enough. The Kundalini Shakti will become permanent in your system.
The next question we have is from South Poland Center, Martin. Martin is asking, if we are not fully complete and then we want to create something, then our visualization, will it be successful and useful, or should I wait till I become 100% complete?
Actually, completion and creating space should go hand in hand, Martin. So one will lead the other to perfection. So do both together. One, you are creating a space will help you to complete, and completion will help you to create a space.
The next question we have is from Kosais, Slovakia Center. Elena Sak is asking, is there karmic difference between mother and daughter and father and son? Elena, please wave your hand.
Please understand, ma, the karma does not have any impact on this mother-daughter, father-son relationship. Actually, father's karma doesn't come to son or daughter. Mother's karma does not come to son or daughter. When you bring them up, the mental pattern only you give. Karma itself is not given. Mental pattern only is given.
The next question we have is from Singapore Adinam, Jai Gauri.
Yes, go ahead.
Jai Gauri is asking, what determines how two people in the same situation as a child cognized the event differently? One child might see it as daring, one might see it as fearful. Is it coming from the parent?
Jai Gauri, it is not from parent. It is just spontaneously the child decides. It's not from the parent. It's the child's decision. Why he decides that way, you have to ask only the child. Because that why has no answer.
The next question we have is from Karl Rusch, German Center. Brent,
Karl Rusch, Germany, yes.
Bernd is asking how to avoid sleeping while meditation.
Ben, maybe you will have to find your sleeping pattern and complete with it for next 1 week. then the whole difficulty with the sleeping pattern will disappear.
The next question is also from the Germany Center. Beat Wenz is asking, will my karma be cleansed during this NKY program?
Yes. Beat Vens, the next session, the Shivoham process which I am going to do is to cleanse your karmas only, karma patterns. The karma pattern which you carry in your cognition will be cleansed in the next process.
The next question we have is from Kulim Malaysia Center. Tarbinder Singh is asking, will my disease, multiple sclerosis, go off with completion?
Tarbinder Singh,
If yes, how long?
please wave your hand. Please do completion sincerely for next 21 days. I'll see to it you are healed. We have already healed many patients with this difficulty. I'll see to it you are healed.
We are now going to question from Alice Springs, Australia. Isabel is asking, dear Swamiji, I took some responsibility for my family karma in the past few years. Am I free now to focus on my own desires? Thank you, Isabel.
Isabel, the very idea of family karma is a voluntary load you took it. The moment you feel you can focus on your own, please do it, my blessings.